Next, we got the Leo. Leo being the 5th house and being around July 20th to around August 20th. This is the sign, you know what I'm saying? Look like a squiggly with a circle. 5th house. Ooh. Wait, didn't mean to do that. Oh my gosh. Got it. I got it, y'all. We good, y'all. We good. Anyways, that's that line I was talking about earlier. You know what I'm saying? This is a fixed sign again. Fixed being stubborn. You're going to know what this means by the end of this, okay? Fixed sign. You stubborn. You not easily moved, okay? Fire sign. Again, fire signs are associated with being passionate, creative, spontaneous, you know what I'm saying? Being very inspiring, competitiveness, and powerful. If you know about a Leo, you know what I'm saying? You know how that is. Also, no, we're going to get into that in this, but you know that fire sign, passionate, you know what I'm saying? Got that fire in them, you know what I'm saying? That's that Leo, and it's fixed, so they stubborn, they not changing for you. You know what I'm saying? They rule by the sun, and the sun rules Sunday, of course. And the sun is associated with the conscious mind. So you know how Cancer, the moon is associated with, or no. Yeah. The moon is associated with subconscious mind. The sun is associated with the conscious mind. That just makes a lot of sense. Pluto is associated with the unconscious mind, I believe. But, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to let y'all know that because that's just a really cool thing to me. Anyway, so it's associated with the conscious mind. This is why we identify with our sun signs. Identity, self-expression, it's all like the same thing. Personality, lifetime role, literally all the same thing. Okay, so that's understanding the sun. The sun is the main attraction. That's what everything revolves around. Okay, so that's what everything revolves around. You know, when it comes to your personality and who you are, baby. So let's get into these Leos. You know what I'm saying? I love the Leo because I'm a Leo moon. So the Leo rules sun, the sun rules Leo. Or does the Leo rule the sun? I forget how that goes. Ruled by the sun. Ruled by Leo. I think it's ruled by Leo. Anyway, let's go. My fault. I've been doing this for a little bit. Man, I done recorded this video 100 times. All right, let's go. Creative, passionate, generous. Okay, so these are your Leos, and they're gonna be generous if they mess with you. If they, you know what I'm saying, if they don't mess with you, they just go keep it moving with their passion and their creativity. Okay, these are confident people. These are the leaders. I told you, them fire signs are the ones who should be leading. Okay, these are dominant people. You know what I'm saying? My moon sign in Leo. You feel me? I feel like I'm emotionally dominant a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Being very confident in myself. That's that Leo energy. That's that line. That's the king of the jungle, baby. They not here to play with you. Attractive. They difficult to resist. I wouldn't know because I ain't messed with too many Leos, but I know I'm probably a little difficult to resist, but that's neither here nor there. I don't know where it is. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, they're very achievable, cheerful, humorous, arrogant. Oh boy. Let's put some explanation points next to that. You know what I'm saying? Them Leos is arrogant, man. I'm arrogant too, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be when you know you got it, you know what I'm saying? So let's keep moving. So they're stubborn, of course, because they're fixed sign, self-centered, you know what I'm saying? We centered around the sun. Of course they're gonna be self-centered. They're ruled by the sun, baby. So these people could be lazy, inflexible, you know, stubborn, and dramatic. Of course, that's that fire within the Leo. Gotta show itself, gotta burn something. Like, chill out, Leo. Chill out. You know what I'm saying? So Leos like being admired, just like that lion, just like that sun, just like that fire. You know what I'm saying? That's that energy. Leos love being admired. They love expensive things, bright colors, and fun with friends. You know what I'm saying? Just like them air signs love fun with friends. The Leo, you know what I'm saying? If that Leo energy come out, they'll be more sociable because they want you to admire them. They want to talk about, you know what I'm saying, how beautiful they are and how much, you know what I'm saying, you are admiring how beautiful they are. You know what I'm saying? That's just that Leo energy. Dislikes being ignored. If I like being admired, why would I? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hate being ignored. Like, what's wrong with you? Look at me. I'm the sun. I'm shining bright. You know what I'm saying? So, not being treated highly. That sun energy. I'm telling you, that lion energy, that Leo, and dislikes facing difficulty. Who doesn't dislike facing difficulty? Compatible with Aquarius and Gemini, and neither of these are fire signs. The Gemini is an air sign. These are air signs. So, you know, just how they like fun with friends, Leo could be sociable. That's why they mess with the social signs. You know what I'm saying? That's that Aquarius and that Gemini.